Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of food and its impact on our health. Today, we're delving into the colorful world of curry, a dish cherished by many cultures for its tantalizing flavors and health benefits. Curry isn't just a meal, it's a sensory experience. From the aroma of spices to the explosion of flavors on your palate, there's something truly magical about this dish. But before we dive into its health benefits, let's understand what exactly curry is. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, curry is a diverse dish that encompasses a blend of spices, herbs, vegetables, and sometimes meat or fish. It's not just a single recipe but rather a category of dishes that vary widely across regions and cultures. Now, let's talk about why curry has earned its reputation as a health powerhouse. The magic lies in the spices. Ingredients like turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili peppers not only impart incredible flavor but also pack a nutritional punch. Turmeric, the golden spice often found in curry blends, contains a compound called curcumin, known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's been linked to reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even certain cancers. Additionally, the inclusion of vegetables and lean proteins in curry provides essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, promoting overall health and well-being. However, like with any dish, moderation is key. While curry offers numerous health benefits, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes and the use of added fats or sodium, especially in restaurant or prepackaged varieties. Now, let's journey back in time to uncover the origins of curry. The roots of curry can be traced back thousands of years to the Indian subcontinent, where it was initially developed as a way to preserve and enhance the flavor of food. Over time, curry spread across Asia and beyond, adapting to the tastes and ingredients of different cultures. So, who invented curry? Well, there isn't a single answer to that question. The evolution of curry is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of countless cooks and cultures throughout history. And why do so many people love this food? Well, it's simple. Curry is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of flavor, culture, and community. Its ability to bring people together and ignite the senses is what makes it beloved worldwide. So, whether you're savoring a spicy vindaloo or a creamy masala, remember that curry isn't just delicious, it's also good for you. Thanks for joining me on this culinary journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on the intersection of food and health. Until next time, happy cooking!